Today I am reviewing ZAFRO 3-in-1 portable air conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and portable cooling solution for your home, office, or dormitory, the ZAFRO 3-in-1 portable air conditioner is a product that deserves your attention. This compact yet powerful unit packs a 10,000 BTU cooling capacity, capable of efficiently cooling spaces up to 450 square feet. Whether you want to relax in a bedroom, entertain in a living room, or stay productive in your home office, this air conditioner ensures your environment remains comfortable, cool, and refreshing. One of the standout features of the ZAFRO portable AC is its 3-in-1 functionality. You're not just getting a cooling system. This unit also functions as a dehumidifier and a fan, giving you the flexibility to adjust to different weather conditions or personal preferences. The fan mode provides a gentle breeze when cooling isn't needed, while the dehumidifier mode effectively removes excess moisture from the air, creating a healthier and more comfortable indoor environment. You can even choose between two adjustable fan speeds, giving you precise control over airflow and comfort levels. Another great aspect of this unit is the temperature control range. You can adjust the temperature from 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to find the perfect climate for any room or occasion. The included LED display and remote control make adjusting settings extremely convenient. Whether you're lying on the couch or working at a desk, you can modify temperature, fan speed, and mode effortlessly without leaving your seat. Portability is a key feature of the ZAFRO air conditioner. This unit is designed with smooth rolling casters and convenient side handles, so moving it from room to room is hassle-free. Whether you want to cool the bedroom at night, the living room during the day, or even an office space, this AC is easy to relocate and set up. Speaking of setup, installation is remarkably simple. The package includes an exhaust hose, window adapter, water pipe, and a window kit that fits both sliding and single or double-hung windows. In just a few minutes, you can have your unit fully operational. One of the most appreciated features is its sleep mode and quiet operation. Operating at 53 decibels or less, it ensures you can enjoy a good night's sleep without constant noise interruptions. In sleep mode, the AC automatically adjusts temperature and fan speed, promoting energy efficiency while maintaining a comfortable sleep environment. Safety and convenience are also at the forefront of the ZAFRO design. The water full indicator alerts you when it's time to empty the tank, preventing overflow, while the auto-shutoff feature ensures the unit will not overheat or sustain damage during operation. The washable filters are easy to clean and maintain, adding to the long-term reliability of this air conditioner. In addition to performance and convenience, the ZAFRO portable AC is designed with sustainability in mind. It uses recycled materials for construction, contains chemicals that are safer for human health and the environment, and is manufactured under standards that protect worker well-being. This makes it not only a practical choice, but also an environmentally responsible one. Finally, the ZAFRO portable air conditioner comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. With a combination of fast cooling, dehumidifying capabilities, easy portability, quiet operation, and eco-conscious design, this unit truly stands out in the market for anyone looking to beat the heat efficiently and effectively. If you want a portable, versatile, and powerful air conditioner that can handle living rooms, bedrooms, and offices without taking up much space, the ZAFRO 3-in-1 portable air conditioner is a top contender. Its blend of performance, convenience, and smart design makes it an ideal addition to any home, helping you stay cool, comfortable, and in control all year round.